Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 5th standard subject maths, board, metric, chapter 2 metric measures. So in metric measures we are going to see today converting bigger units into smaller units and converting smaller units into bigger units. So how will you convert bigger unit into smaller unit children? So first kilo, hecto, deca, then standard unit, that is gram or meter, and then liter, then deci, centi, and then milli. So if you are converting bigger unit into smaller units, you are going to multiply by 10. So if you are converting smaller unit into bigger units, you are going to divide it by 10, that is milli to centi you have to divide by 10, then milli to deci means you have to divide by 100, then milli to standard unit means you have to divide by 1000. See, if 2 times means 100, 3 times if you are going to take 3 units means 1000. So like that we are going to do in the, we are going to apply this in the exercise. So listen. So first one for meter, kilometer, hectometer, the standard unit is meter. So for meter, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Next for gram, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, then decigram, then centigram, then milligram. Then for liter, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, then milliliter. So today we are going to see converting the measurements, that is converting the units. So exercise 2.1, fill in the blanks. 1 kilogram equal to, we are going to convert kilogram into decagram. So how will you convert kilogram into decagram children? So listen, we are going to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. So if you are going to convert smaller unit into bigger units, we are going to multiply. So how many times you are going to multiply? Kilogram into decagram. So 10 into 10, 100. So we are going to multiply by, sorry, here you write multiply by 100 because 2 times. So 1 kilogram equal to dash decagram, 1 kilogram equal to 100 decagram, 1 kilogram equal to 100 decagram. Next 1 liter equal to dash milliliter, 1 liter equal to, see listen, we are going to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. 1 liter equal to dash milliliter, see how many times? 1, 2, 3. So you are going to multiply 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1 liter equal to how many milliliters children? 1000 milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Next one, 1 decameter equal to dash centimeter. 1 decameter. So where is decameter? 1 decameter equal to dash centimeter. So how many times? 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1 decameter equal to how many centimeter? 1 decameter equal to 1000 centimeter. Next one, 1 hectoliter equal to dash centiliter. So how will you convert hectoliter into centiliter? So we are going to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. So listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So tell me, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you multiply 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1000 into 10 is 10,000. So 1 hectoliter equal to how many centiliter? 10,000 centiliter. 1 hectoliter equal to 10,000 centiliter. Next one, 1 kilometer equal to how many decimeter? 1 kilometer equal to how many decimeter? So kilometer into decimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. So we are going to convert kilometer into 1 kilometer into decimeter. So 1 kilometer into how many decimeter? So multiply by 100, multiply by 10. So 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000, 1000 into 10 is 10,000. So 1 kilometer equal to how many decimeter, children? 10,000 decimeter. Next one, 1 decigram equal to how many milligrams? So 1 decigram equal to how many milligrams? So decigram into milligram. So 10 into 10, 100. So 1 decigram equal to how many milligrams? 1 decigram equal to 100 milligram. 1 decigram equal to 100 milligram. Next one, convert the following into smaller units. So they have given in bigger units, we are going to convert it into smaller units. So 342 kilograms into hectograms and grams. So listen children, how we are going to convert kilogram into hectograms and then gram. So first you write kilogram, then hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. So listen, we are going to convert 342 kilogram into hectogram. So tell me 1 kilogram equal to how many hectograms? So kilogram into hectogram. So 1 kilogram equal to how many hectogram? 1 kilogram equal to 10 hectograms. So 342 kilograms equal to 342 into 10 hectogram. So 1 kilogram equal to 10 hectogram, 342 kilogram equal to, so if you multiply 342 into 10, then we have changed this into hectogram. So 342 into 10 is 3420 hectogram. So answer 342 kilogram equal to 3420 hectogram. Next one, we are going to convert into grams. So B, we are going to convert into grams. So how will you convert this into grams? Kilogram into gram. So kilogram into gram. How many times? 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. So 342 kilogram equal to how many kilograms, children? So we are going to multiply by 1000 because 1 kilogram equal to 1000. So 342 kilogram equal to 342 multiply by 1000. So if you multiply 342 into 1000, so you can write this 342, then how many zeros? 3 zeros, you can include this 3 zeros. So 3,42,000 grams. So 300 answer equal to 342 kilogram equal to 3,42,000 gram. So next one, Next one, 5.356 kilometers into hectometers and then decameters. So, they have given in kilometer, we are going to convert into hectometers and decameters. So, first we will write kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, then millimeter. So, they have given in kilometer, we are going to convert into hectometers. So, you write 5.356 kilometer. So, 1 kilometer equal to how many hectometers, children? 1 kilometer equal to, see only one time. So, this is 10 only. So, 10 hectometer, 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer, 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. So, 5.356 kilometer equal to how many hectometers? So, let me find 5.356 kilometer equal to, so we are going to multiply 5.356 into 10 hectometer. So, if you multiply by 10, what you will do? So, in decimals multiplication, you will write this, then you can include the 0, only 1 0 is there. Then how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places. So, from the back you leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So, now you tell me the answer, children. So, 5.356 kilometer equal to 5.356 kilometer equal to, you can write 53.56 or 560 also. So, after the decimal, if it is 0, we can take away that zeros. So, 53.56 hectometer. Next one, we are going to convert into decameter. So, 1 kilometer equal to how many decameters? See, kilometer and decameter. So, 10 into 10 is 100. So, tell me 1 kilometer equal to 100 decameter. 1 kilometer equal to 100 decameter. So, 5.356 kilometer equal to, so 5.356 kilometer equal to, so we are going to multiply by 100 because 1 kilometer equal to 100 decameter. So, you multiply 5.356 into 100 decameter. So, if you multiply, so write this 5356, then include the zeros, 2 zeros. Then how many decimal places, children? 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. So, you put the dot, that is decimal after 3 digit decameter. So, after the decimal, if only the zeros, so after the decimal if zeros are there, we can take away the zeros. So, now you can tell me the answer. 5.356 kilometer equal to 535.6 decameter. So, we have converted into decameter. So, this is kilometer into hectometer, this is kilometer into decameter. Next one, we are going to convert gram into decigram and grams into milligrams. So, we are going to convert gram into decigram, that is smaller unit into bigger unit. So, first we will write kilogram, then hectogram, decagram, gram, then decigram, centigram, then milligram. So, 14.008 gram, gram into decigram. So, tell me gram into decigram. So, 1 gram equal to how many decigrams? 1 gram equal to 10 decigrams. See, one time only. So, 10 decigram, 1 gram equal to 10 decigram. So, 14.008 gram equal to 14.008 into, so what we are going to do? We are going to multiply by 10 because 1 gram equal to 10 decigram. So 14.008 gram into multiply by 10. So if you multiply by 10, so you can write 14008, then this 0, then how many decimal places children? 3 decimal places. So leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So you can take this 0. So before the number if zeros are there, don't take away that. See after the digit if 0 only is the 0, then you can take that zeros. So tell me the answer. So 14.008 gram equal to 140.08 decigram. Next one, B, we are going to convert gram into milligram. So gram into milligram. So how many times, tell me? 1 gram equal to how many milligrams children? 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram equal to 10 into 10 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So 14.008 gram equal to, so what we are going to do? We are going to multiply by 1000. We are going to multiply by 1000 milligram. So if you multiply by 1000, so you write 14008, then 3 zeros, then how many decimal places children? 3 decimal places. So you leave 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So listen here, only after the decimal, only the zeros. So you can take away all the zeros. So the answer is 14,008 milligram. So you can write the answer 14.008 gram equal to 14,008 milligram. So we have converted gram into decigram and gram into milligram. Next one. So 5.18 meters into decimeter and millimeter. So we are going to convert 5.18 meter into decimeter and millimeter. So you write kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, then millimeter. So what they have given? Meter, meter into decimeter. So meter into decimeter. So 1 meter equal to how many decimeter? 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. So tell me now 5.18 meter equal to, so we are going to multiply by 10. So 5.18 into 10 decimeter. So if you multiply by 10, decimal multiplication, you write 5180. Then how many decimal places here? 2 decimal places. So leave 2 digit from the back, 1, 2. So tell me the answer now. So 5.18 meter equal to 51.8 decimeter. 51.8 decimeter. Next we are going to convert into millimeter. So meter into millimeter. So 1, 2, 3. So 10 into 10 100. 100 into 10 1000. So 1 meter equal to how many millimeters children? 1000 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So tell me 5.18 meter equal to 5.18 into 1000 millimeter. So if you multiply 5.18 into 1000, write 518, then 3 zeros. Next write millimeter. So now you tell me how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So from the back you leave 2 digit. So now you tell me after the decimal only the zeros are there, so we can take the zeros. So the answer is 5.18 meter equal to 5180 millimeter. So we have converted into meter into decimeter and millimeter into meter into millimeter. So continuation of this sum, we will see it in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.